mount a solar panel with this crossbar here, and we've measured it 1,000,000 times and it definitely fits, but it just looks massive. Can't have a look.
It's quite large, isn't it?
Sort of fingers crossed.
I'm T and this is Kath, and this is our home, Calad. In 2018 we sold our possessions, left our jobs and said goodbye to Manchester to become full-time sailing nomads.
Better, yeah.
We've been sailing around the world for the last 3 years now, doing our best to document the adventure as we go. We haven't put a time limit on this, we don't have a fixed plan, so we have absolutely no idea how this is going to turn out. We hope you'll join us for the ride, and if you enjoy the Sailing Nomads videos, please consider subscribing. It's a great way to support our channel. Thank you and welcome aboard.
We've run some cables. The cables are going up here, out the top, 6mm cable. We had two options. A panel that was 170 watts, which is reasonably small, would have been quite small in there, or a large panel which is 245 watts, which we went for. And we've measured it 1,000,000 times and it definitely fits, but it just looks massive. Can't have a look.
It's quite large, isn't it?
Technically it fits.
It does fit. The question isn't whether it fits, it's whether it will be alright.
It's 15 kilograms.
With a little help from our neighbours and our friends at Nowhere to Go who supplied the perfect fittings, we got the solar panel mounted and named her Bertha.
Slightly. Oh,
Too much?
too much.
Like that?
There, that's it, yeah.
Perfect.
Do you know what? It looks a lot smaller.
That's what we're up in the
Now
air.
it's up than when it was.
They do?
When you guys were lugging that by, I just thought that is
No
just
way.
way. That's never going to go
I
on the
could
back
hear
of
it in
your
your
butt.
voice out of my ears. I was terrified.
It can go
Look at the size of that one.
a bit further. I know it's about the same size, just a different shape.
We did measure that one before we bought it.
Do you know what? That's a really good fit.
That's two together, isn't it?
Yeah, whereas this is one.
Yeah.
That's a great fit, Kat. And you're going to give it.
It fits. No, it doesn't just fit. It looks really good, and it feels really safe and secure, and it's just a perfect size. And I can't explain, I can't say what a relief it is that it's all right, because it would have been a massive pain to try and do anything about it, and it's just going to be great. It actually looks good. It looks good. It's really nice.
Just running the cables from the panel to the controller. A Victron 130 controller, so that's 100 volts and the output's 30 amps. And then we go from that to the battery. But obviously running cables is in the small spaces, so it involves sort of putting my head through this hole and pulling cables through tiny little holes drilled. But we're getting there and we're tidying up, and yeah, we're going to have loads of power hopefully from Bertha. Yeah. Trying to make sure these cables are going to fit. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yes! They're in. That's cool. So these go to the controller, and then we're going to have two from the controller to the batteries.
Kath was a bit tired, But basically what she went on to say was that we also fitted a 10 amp breaker between Bertha and the controller and a 40 amp fuse between the controller and the batteries. We'd like to say a big thanks to our wonderful friends Colin and Nicola on Yacht Emerald for all of their moral support with our electrical upgrade project. Our combined solar is now 305 watts, and with Bertie, our wind generator, we have more than enough renewable power for our needs.
What are you cooking?
Well, rice and like sauce, like vegetable spicy tomatoey sauce with halloumi, and there might be a tortilla wrap as well at some point. Yeah. It's really untidy. Normally a really tidy cook.
Liza Minnelli.
It tastes nice though.
Looks amazing.
Right. Nearly ready.
Meals on Keels.
Meals on Keels. Indeed. Just a little bit. Halloumi's salty as well, isn't it?
How is it?
It's alright. It's dinner. These are our temporary batteries.
Battery gate might be over.
Would you like to elaborate on battery gate?
Oh God. We had a bit of a four candles situation with batteries. So first of all, we ordered some new batteries in May, like over a month ago, but they forgot to put our order in. So we were waiting for them and they just forgot to put the order in. So we were like, okay, can we borrow some batteries? Because, you know, we need to cross the Aegean and ours are dead and we were waiting for these and that's pretty much screwed us. So he's like, yeah. So he was really helpful. We were on Samos and he sent them to Naxos. So we were like, no, totally different island. We've not left, we've not moved. We were on Samos. And he was like, oh, okay, I'll send them to Paros tomorrow. No, please don't send them to Paros. We're on Samos. So battery gate has taken over a month, but the batteries we're going to borrow have just arrived. So I couldn't be happier. And we're just going to see what the scenario is. 12.4 on that one, that's alright. Negative. 12.7. So this one needs recharging a little bit, but that's fine.
Will that not just happen?
Huh?
Will that not just happen?
Yeah.
Like when we start the
When we
engine
plug it in
or
shore power.
plug in?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So we're going to take out said dead batteries.
I mean,
now.
they've been halfway around Greece. They went back to Athens. They didn't actually come from Naxos to here. They went back to Athens.
Oh yeah, no, you can't go. You can't go the direct route.
I mean, Naxos is halfway between.
Oh God, all this one.
Yeah.
It's
So I'm not surprised they're a bit dead.
it's been a palaver.
I think we're a bit dead waiting for them.
Yeah, I think I'm like 12.1 charged. What are you, Matty?
Significantly less. It's the old ones coming out.
Old ones coming out. We've actually had these were the spare ones that the previous owners had sat on the boat. So they've done us 2 seasons. We kind of limped through the last season. They definitely needed replacing, hence why we ordered some brand new ones. RIP.
Right.
Old batteries. So they need to come out.
Fast forward a month and our battery luck went from bad to worse when the truck carrying our new batteries crashed somewhere between Holland and Greece. But we did finally get them in, and a huge thanks to our amazing friends at Samaris Batteries. We soon had our new batteries on board, all 370 amp hours and 90 kilos of them.
3, 2, 1. We'll just rest it on the top of the net. Okay. Oh my god.
Now back to Samos in June.
Ready, excited, relieved, bit tired, but yeah, ready to go. It's great. It's actually really nice here, and we've been desperate to go, but actually it's really nice. So just having a nice last evening, just had some dinner and probably have some chocolate, get the last few bits and pieces together, tidy the boat so we don't have to do too much in the morning, and then just get up, have breakfast and go. Be amazing. Can't wait.
What's happened?
Oh, we've left. Finally. 7 months on. Maybe longer actually. The 20th of June. We got there on the, well, we went into the marina on the 31st of October. We were in Pythagoreia 2 or 3 weeks before that. So, a long time.
How do you feel?
Really good. It's beautiful. It's lovely. It's a really nice morning, and it's just a lovely feeling when you leave and the sun's only just coming up. It's a little bit misty and it's quiet and there's not really anyone about. It's the nicest thing. It's only like having a cold shower, isn't it? I do it all the time. Oh my god, there's no more steps. That's it. No more steps.
Oh gosh, you're a braver woman than I.
It's alright.
It's alright.
I see you're not rushing in behind.
Come in, it's lovely.
Spent the night. Couple of nights, our first anchorage. I'll show you. It's called Quarry Bay on Fournoy. I'll show you, hang on. As the name suggests, we had a neighbour last night, we didn't the night before. As the name suggests, it used to be an ancient quarry. I don't know if you can see that, but right on the beach there's just some casual columns. Like the rejects, the misfits that didn't quite make it to market. So yeah, it's been a very nice first spot. A little bit rolly last night. Rocked us to sleep. T said this is one of her favourites so far. So there we go. Nice first anchorage. Thank you.
spent our second night in the absolutely stunning Ikaria. Definitely another favourite. Kath had one small job to do in the locker, but otherwise we were settling into life on board again.
What's the matter, boy? Got some Puerto Rican girl that's dying to meet you. Sit there, kissy boy. Like we used to. Kath. It's like I've been born again. It's not conclusive.
Join us next time when we encounter a water spout and also get our rigging replaced. The two events are unconnected, we hasten to add. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up or say hello.